Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the gold stuff indicator for MT4. All right, so if you want to download this indicator, just check the description below. You're going to see the link. Whether you are seeking the MT4 version or the MT5 version, you will see the link to both versions in the description below. All right. Now, after downloading the indicator, just head over to the indicators folder for your platform, whether it's MT4 or MT5. After you paste the indicator file in there, you head back to your navigator, right click and refresh. After refreshing, you should see the gold stuff indicator. If you still can't find the indicator, you might just have to restart your terminal. Okay. So now we're just going to drag and drop the indicator to the chart, and then you can see the allow DLL imports box must be checked. And then for the customizable settings, we have the amplitude, the alerts on current, alerts message, alerts sound, alerts email. Modify according to your taste. Okay. Now, this indicator, as you can see, it displays, these lines alongside arrows showing you the direction of the trend and giving you precise entry points at the same time, right? So in a bullish trend, you will notice that the price is going to be trading above the indicator line, and then for your entry, you will notice the upward blue arrow, giving you a buy entry signal. And then for a sell, you will notice the downward red arrow giving you a sell entry signal, right? So when price is trading below the red line, it shows bearish momentum, bearish trend. When price is trading above the blue line, it shows that it's a bullish trend. So it's super easy. Yeah, it's super easy. And then you should always prioritize your risk management. Do not trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose, and do not over leverage for any reason. All right, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and do not forget to turn on your notifications so that you will not miss out on more valuable trading content being posted on this channel. At the same time, you're going to be among the first to get updated, of course, when a new video drops, right? You should subscribe and turn on your notifications. Don't forget to like the video as well and share with those who you think are also going to find it valuable. Thank you once again. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers and God bless.